Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to order products from Pandora Jewellery online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information or make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your mobile device, open up a web browser, or if you're on your PC or laptop, same thing, open up any web browser and then head on over to pandora.net. And depending what location you're in, I'm from Australia, so it'll be au.pandora.net. But if you're in a different location, it will say something different at the start. But make sure it is pandora.net. And then find the product that you'd like to add to your shopping cart. So for this demonstration, I'm going to search for a necklace. So I'm going to click on the menu bar, click on necklaces and pendants. I'm going to click on most popular. And I'm going to click on this necklace here. Might do the gold. Rose gold, sorry. I'm going to add this to my bag. So if you found a product, just simply click on add to bag, and then you can view your bag by scroll up and then make sure you're at the top of the page here, and then you have a little cup. Click on that cart. As you can see, I've got one product in there. There it is there. And now there's a few more options you can fill out here. So if I want standard delivery, I'll just check that. If I want click and collect, I can choose that. If I want to add more necklaces, I can simply click on the plus button here to add more to my checkout, but I don't want to do that. Alright, so I like the look of this. So now you can simply click on checkout or checkout with Afterpay. But for this demonstration, I'm going to do checkout. Give it a few moments to load. And now add in your delivery details, or if you're already a member, sign in. And then once that is done, it will go to your payment information, pop in your payment information to complete the purchase. And yeah, that's how to order products on Pandora Jewellery online. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.